Today I am showing you how to make authentic Delhi-style butter chicken, rich, creamy and perfectly balanced. We are using fresh spices, slow cooking the sauce and giving the chicken that smoky edge you get in the best Indian restaurants. Let's begin. Here is everything you will need for 4 servings. For the chicken marinade, 700 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into generous bite-sized chunks, 120 grams of full-fat plain yogurt, which is around 8 tablespoons, 15 milliliters of fresh lemon juice, which is 1 tablespoon, 20 grams of ginger garlic paste, which is around 4 teaspoons, 6 grams of Kashmiri red chilli powder, which is 2 teaspoons for mild heat, 4 grams of ground cumin, which is 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of ground coriander, which is 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of garam masala, which is 1 teaspoon, 6 grams of fine salt, which is 1 teaspoon, and 10 milliliters of mustard oil, which is 2 teaspoons. For the sauce, 40 grams of unsalted butter, plus another 20 grams for finishing the dish, 15 milliliters of neutral oil, such as sunflower oil, which is 1 tablespoon, 1 medium onion, about 150 grams, finely diced, 15 grams of ginger garlic paste, which is about 3 teaspoons, 4 grams of Kashmiri red chilli powder, which is 1.5 teaspoons, 4 grams of ground coriander, which is 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of ground cumin, which is 1 teaspoon, 400 grams of smooth tomato passata, 50 grams of cashew nuts, soaked in hot water for 20 minutes, 100 milliliters of double cream, 10 grams of honey, which is about 2 teaspoons, fine salt to taste, usually about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, and 2 grams of dried fenugreek leaves, also called kasuri methi, which is about 2 teaspoons when crushed. For garnish, a small handful of fresh coriander leaves, chopped, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra cream if you like. In a large mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri red chilli powder, ground cumin, ground coriander, garam masala, fine salt, and mustard oil. Mix until you have a smooth, evenly coloured marinade. Add the chicken pieces and turn them over until every surface is coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Overnight will give you the deepest flavour. While the chicken is marinating, prepare the rest of your sauce ingredients so they are ready to go. Once the chicken has marinated, preheat your grill to 220 degrees Celsius or set a heavy skillet over medium-high heat. If grilling, place the chicken on a rack over a foil-lined tray and cook for 12 to 15 minutes, turning halfway through until it develops light char marks. If pan-searing, cook in batches for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Do not worry if the chicken is not fully cooked yet. It will finish in the sauce. Right now, the goal is to create a smoky flavour and seal in the juices. In a large sauté pan, melt 40 grams of butter with 1 tablespoon of neutral oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until it is golden and soft. Stir often so it does not burn. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until it is fragrant. This forms the aromatic base of the sauce. Add the Kashmiri red chilli powder, the ground coriander and the ground cumin. Bloom the spices in the butter and onion mixture for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. You will see the colour deepen and smell the release of the oils. Pour in the tomato passata. Stir and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat until it thickens and the oil begins to rise to the surface. Add the soaked cashews, stir and cook for 2 minutes before blending. Transfer the sauce to a blender or use a stick blender in the pan and blend until completely smooth. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash of water to loosen it. For a velvety finish, strain the sauce through a fine sieve back into the pan. This is what gives restaurant-style butter chicken its silky texture. Return the smooth sauce to a gentle simmer. Add the double cream, the honey and the salt, stirring until combined. Now add the grilled chicken pieces along with any juices they have released. Simmer for 6 to 8 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked and the sauce coats each piece. Crush the dried fenugreek leaves between your palms to release their aroma and stir them in along with the final 20 grams of butter. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a swirl of cream if you like. Serve hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. The chicken should be tender, the sauce silky and rich, with gentle warmth from the spices and that signature buttery finish. And that is how you make authentic butter chicken for 4 people. Follow these steps and you will have a dish worthy of any restaurant, right in your own kitchen. Enjoy the process and the incredible flavour at the end.